Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss few objective questions, MCQ multiple choice questions. In the previous videos we learned unit cell, Miller indices, reciprocal lattice, properties of unit cell. On the basis of these topics I am giving here few objective questions. These questions are important from the examination point of view. So try to first answer yourself. Otherwise, I am giving answer of these objective questions in the last of the video. Okay. So let us see. The first question is the smallest portion of the lattice. As stated earlier in the earlier videos, the smallest portion of the lattice, which is the building block of any crystal, it is unit cell. So answer here is unit cell. When unit cell is considered, as you saw in the previous video, that there are different or various ways to select unit cell, and accordingly we choose, and if we select all those we find there are 7 crystal system and 14 previous lattices. So here answer will be 14. Now you will see question number 3, which is unit cell that contains lattice point only at corners is known as. So try to answer. Now question 4, the axial relationship of monoclinic crystal system is given as. So you have to select one correct answer out of these 4 options. In the next question, the axial relationship of a rhombohedral crystal system is given as. Again, there are 4 options and answer is only one, that is correct. So in this way, there are 25, 26, 27, 28, 28. Total there are 30 questions. So here you can see one by one. This is your question number 6. 7. The interfacial angles of a triclinic crystal system are given by. Actually, when we select a unit cell, we take 3 sides A, B, C, and along the 3 axes and 3 angles alpha, beta, gamma. For example, in a cube, alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 90 and A is equal to B is equal to C cube H. So question number 7, the interfacial inter interracial and interracing angle of triclinic crystal systems are given by. There are 4 options. So think which option is correct. Next question is, what is the atomic radius of a BCC crystal structure? You will get answer if you see the previous video. All questions, the answer of all questions are already discussed. So you have to see the previous video to answer these questions. So this is your question number 8. What is the atomic radius of BCC crystal structure? 9. What is the coordination number of a simple cubic structure? 6, 8, 10, 12. Answer is only 1. What is the coordination number of BCC cubic structure? Next, what is the coordination number of FCC cubic structure? Question number 12. What is the atomic packing factor of BCC structure? Again, there are four options. Think which will be correct answer. 13. A family of directions is represented by. As stated earlier, I told you that in a crystal there are large number of planes having large number of orientations, and these planes are delineated by three numbers. One option is HKL. You may take in place of HKL UVW also. So here it represents plane, it represents direction, it represents family of planes, it represents family of directions. So accordingly you have to answer. This is the family of directions and this is the direction. Atomic packing factor is, here choices are given A, B, C, D. Okay. 15. What is the reciprocal lattice to simple cubic lattice? There are four options. 16. Amorphous solids have a structure, irregular structure, because in a crystal there are regular arrangements, periodic arrangements of atom. The crystal lattice has a three-dimensional. Okay. Now the number of atoms per unit simple cubic cell. Next question is the number of atoms per unit simple cubic cell. These two are same question by mistake. So you may leave one. 20. The number of atoms per unit simple cubic cell. Actually by mistake these three questions have been printed in. These are the same questions per unit simple cube. Actually here it will be BCC and here it will be FCC. So you may correct it. See here, this is simple cubic. Here you will use BCC, not simple cubic. Here you will use FCC, face centered cubic. Okay. Now I hope you have understood the difference between the three, 18, 19, 20. Actually by printing mistake, all are simple cubic, simple cubic, simple. One is simple cubic, other is BCC, and third is FCC. So in this way, question number 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. So these are the questions 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All have four options. Now 26. Repeatable entity of crystal structure is. Similar question was one. That is unit cell. The direction along the phase diagonal of a unit cell. There are four options. 28. A crystal plane intercepts the crystal axis at 0.5 a, b and is parallel to C. So its intercept 0.5 a, 1 inter b, 1b. Here parallel to C means infinity. 29. How many atoms per unit cell are there in a diamond cubic structure? And last question, crystal planes and direction can be represented set of. So in this way there are 30 questions. First you will try to answer yourself. If you answer all these questions, then match with the answer given here and see how many answers you have given correct answer. Otherwise you have to prepare accordingly. Thank you.